Most people get this wrong when searching for money-making apps. They expect instant cash with zero effort, like there is some hidden button that prints money. But here's the truth no one tells you. These apps do pay real money, but only when you understand how they work and use them the right way. In this video, you will learn the best money-making apps in 2026 that actually pay, how they work, and which ones are worth your time. Let's get right into it. First, understand the basic idea. Money-making apps fall into different categories like freelancing, surveys, content creation, cashback, and microtasks. So when Alex opens one of these apps, he is not getting free money. He is exchanging time, skills, or attention for small payments. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real difference between earning $5 and earning $500 is not the app itself, but the type of activity you choose inside the app. But here's the problem most beginners face. They jump between apps, try everything at once, and never build consistency. Then they assume the apps are fake, when in reality they just never use them properly. Let's break down the best categories of money-making apps in 2026. First, freelance apps. These are the highest earning apps because you sell real skills like writing, design, editing, or programming. If John learns basic graphic design, he can start getting real clients and build long-term income. Second, survey and reward apps. These are simple apps that pay you for answering questions, testing products, or completing small offers. They are easy to use but low paying, so they work best for extra pocket money. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make with these apps that completely stops them from reaching consistent payouts. Third, cashback and shopping apps. These apps give you money back when you shop online or complete promotional offers. They are not income generators, but they help you save money over time. Fourth, content-based earning apps. These platforms pay users for posting videos, engaging with content, or building audiences. If Alex posts consistently, he can slowly build real income streams. Fifth, task-based gig apps. These apps pay you for simple local or online tasks like deliveries, testing apps, or small jobs. They are flexible and great for quick earnings. Now let's talk about real apps people still use in 2026. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, TaskRabbit, and Rakuten are still widely used depending on your country. Each one has a different earning model, so choosing the right one matters more than downloading many apps. So how do you actually make money consistently? Step 1 is focus. Pick one category that matches your skill level. Step 2 is consistency. Use the app daily or weekly instead of randomly. Step 3 is scaling. Move from low-paying tasks to higher-value skills over time. Here is a real example. Alex starts with survey apps and earns a few dollars. But he quickly realizes it is slow. Then he learns simple freelancing skills and switches platforms. Within months, his income grows because he focused on skill-based earning instead of random tasks. So are money-making apps worth it in 2026? Yes, but only if you treat them like real tools, not shortcuts to instant wealth. To wrap it up, the best apps are the ones that match your skills, your time, and your long-term goals. The real money comes from consistency, not luck. If this helped you, like the video, comment what type of app you want to try, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you earn smarter online.